They were worried about the rock strata. And that section's holding very steady. You can see the rail just somewhat coming out of the acid mine drainage itself there. Gorgeous condition. Most likely white oak to resist rot. Another angle. Again, you can see that rail just slightly above the water in the background. In the foreground, it's submerged. Just a different type of photo filter for the coloring down there at the same angle as the prior photo. You can see how dry that roof is still. Almost looks like it was placed there yesterday. Not all sections were